Okay, this is video footage of the winter storm.
Mommy,
The second phase of the winter storm. We had 2.5 feet on Saturday, February 5th, and today is Wednesday, February 10th. This is our deck. The grill is under snow. Table.
And then make sure.
Every now and then we get 50-mile-an-hour gusts of wind, and the visibility out the window, you can't even see trees in the distance.
No.
The chairs are almost buried. 1 more feet, 12 more inches of snow, and they'll be gone.
Uh-oh, snow is coming down to our playroom.
The snow is up to, there's the railing on the deck.